Hi, I'm Catherine Makison-Booth and I'm a microbiologist here at the Health and Safety Laboratory, Buxton, Derbyshire. I've invented a simulated vomiting system known as Vomiting Larry. So let's go inside and meet him. We're in one of HSL's controlled air chambers, and this is where Vomiting Larry lives. He's comprised of a mannequin head known as Airway Larry, and is what medical students use to practice procedures such as laryngoscopies. He has a tongue and teeth so that fluid is projected in a realistic way. The esophagus is connected to a chamber representing Larry's stomach, to which we add fluid. A pneumatic ram then forces the fluid up and out of his mouth. I'm going to fill Larry's stomach with 1 litre of fluorescent fluid so that under UV lighting we can track small droplets and splash that under standard white lighting would be invisible. 3, 2, 1. You've just seen the test under UV lighting. We've now switched the standard lights back on. I'm going to try and clean up from the cleanest areas to the dirtiest areas to avoid contaminating myself. Cleaned up all the fluid that I can actually see, so we'll switch the standard lights off, put the UV lights back on and see how well I've actually done. I can see areas that I've missed. Quite a lot of areas where there's splash around the edges of where the main bulk of the fluid was. Apparently I've contaminated my face, my nose and my mouth, so I must have touched my face during the clean-up procedure. I've also contaminated my hand and the cuff of my overalls. This is the hand that I was using to clean up the fluid. I've contaminated the knee that I was using to kneel on during the clean-up process, and the underneath of my shoe covers are also contaminated. Our research has shown that droplets as small as these can contain enough virus to elicit an infection in a healthy individual, and that's why our work with Larry in helping to prevent infection is so important.